Mwah. What is it now?
How do you get on now? Okay, Baba.
Are you gonna want it now? It's right there. Can I?
Yeah, I guess.
Too far away.
Aww.
You have to be here, Mom.
Maybe he turns out being a Bronco. Okay, hold on.
He's eating grass, Mom.
Well.
What do you think? He's eating grass. What's the worst he could possibly do?
Okay. I got him.
Oh God, what? I can't run. Oh, God, don't go away.
Just hang. Just hang. Just hang.
I can't get him. Did I get on him backwards or something?
No.
What is he now, a Bronco or what? Hi, Jake! He's looking for what?
Der soll mal rülpsen.
God, he's making me get off.
He's slippery.
Oh God. I'm sliding off.
It's okay.
Now he's going away. Mean what?
Okay, now Fina.
Now what?
Now get on.
Will you allow me?
Yeah, I would.
Will you?
Yeah.
More. I can't get on.
Come on, jump. No, see? He doesn't even care.
These are my good pants.
Oh,
well.
I see your feet sticking out. Don't wiggle so much. He's eating.
Like he cares.
Here, lead him.
Are you crazy? Mom, you know what I mean?
No, don't. I got him.
Remember, I was like,